The hostilities that began in northwest Pakistan in 2009 have had many effects on the physical and psychological conditions of those hundreds of thousands of people displaced in the tribal regions near Pakistan-Afghanistan border. According to official figure, 1.8 million IDPs returned to their homeland by the end of 2009, while some 500,000 are still residing at Peshawar and other nearby districts in the makeshift camps where they have found themselves confronted with the unhygienic conditions and diseases on the rise. But what is most alarming is that the conflict-induced displacement has resulted in high rates of diseases among the displaced people. According to some government and non-government organizations providing medical assistance, 50% of the displaced children have signs of trauma, while 20% of them suffer from malnourishment.
Initially, when we started working here for the malnourished children, the condition was very miserable. The patient we were having, they were very severely malnourished, and the percentages initially were 17%. Like in children under 5 years were having malnourishment rate of 17%. That is a very critical rate. Above 15% is a critical rate for any given area.
While we were in the village, we didn't face such horrible disease what we have to go through here in the camp. My daughter started losing weight and finally she caught this disease. Now she is incurable. There is no proper medical help in the camp.
While the health organizations are trying hard to overcome these physical and psychological diseases, medical experts believe getting these displaced children to their homeland can play a big part in their rehabilitation.
They are displaced from their homes, and they have left all their belongings and everything there in their native towns. So that is the main thing. Due to displacement, they have lost their assets, so they are very poor. If I ask a mother to give a good diet or take a good diet for herself, the answer is only that I don't have anything. How can I buy food? So the displacement is the major issue here.
The climate and the environment change has hit us hard. Being displaced from our village proved to be disastrous. We want to go back to our village for the sake of our children.
However, it is still uncertain whether they can return to their homelands, as the country is still at war with militants in the tribal regions and more civilians are being forced to flee their towns and villages. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.